Seated marches are a nice way to progress in the earlier phases of rehab, focused on abdominal engagement, core control. And what we're going to be doing is maintaining a neutral spine. So we're not dumping the pelvis backwards or forward, we're finding the middle ground. So whatever we feel like that is that neutral spinal position. And I like to determine that with my hands. So I'll find the bones in the front, bones in the back, and they should be relatively level. And I wanna maintain that. So this whole exercise is driven from the core. So I'm gonna maintain this neutral. So I'm gonna lightly engage my core to start in this neutral position, and I'm gonna lift this leg up and then put it back down. So nice and slow, I'm gonna alternate, but I'm ignoring my legs. I'm focused in monitoring my core and my pelvic positioning, making sure that I can maintain this pelvic position throughout the motion without the pelvis dumping backwards or forwards.